country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Percy shippers don't finally come out publicly to come tender public apology to Pere after the drag am few months ago when the Percy ship sink. And also Angel don't come do remembrance speech for her ex-boyfriend wey kpai 5 years ago. So Pere and his fans today they do a little bit of conversation together for their space for Twitter, and Percy shippers were among the people wey be say follow do that space with him. According to them, they come out to come apologize to the guy of the way they take insult and that. And remember say after the ship between Mercy and Pere spoil, fans, the Percy shippers really give the guy better butu. They insult him, they broke shame the boy, a lot of things where we say they do that boy that time. So one of them can't they kind enough to come out publicly to come apologize to the guy. They still they hope say the Percy ship will eventually move later in the future. But Pere tell to say nothing like that is ever going to happen. Say it was good while it lasted. Further explain to them to say it go good make Mercy fans they on their own and make your fans dey on your own, make them know they come together to come they contribute anything or plan events together. Same everybody just dey e dey. He also get one kind request from the fans. According to the fans tell am to say make he promise them one thing for this birthday wey be say they come up. So according to them, they say they want to make Pere give them wife, make him marry. So Pere to say he go shock his fans very soon because he's planning to very soon. So make una lis ten to very few of the conversation for una sef.
My real name is Fuzzy.
Your real name is
I'm Fuzzy and I handle all Percy movement pages, both on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter.
YouTube.
Yeah. on behalf of shippers, General.
Hey, good.
Is he listening?
Yeah, sorry, go ahead. What were you saying?
On behalf of shippers, please forgive us. We are sorry.
What did you guys do?
Forgive us because the movement is still moving.
No. You guys are doing amazing. Honestly, I appreciate.
Yeah, thank you so much.
There's nothing to.
Thank you so much.
You guys didn't commit any crime.
Okay.
Neither
did the two of you commit any crime. You just gave us back to back. We still want.
Yeah, those were good times.
Yeah. General, please have a request.
I don't know. What did you say?
Separately.
Move separate. Move separate.
Please, move separate.
Move separate.
Wow. So I should remove this YouTube.
It's up to you, but move separate. I said ship, don't sink. You see the top movement.
So it is true now. But we are still moving and we are still hopeful. With God, everything is possible.
God, I beg you.
More shippers are goners.
Okay, I know that your birthday is coming up, and the gifting is supposed to be the other way around. But I want you to give us a gift.
Okay.
But trust me, no pressure. You can take your time, like 6 months, 1 year, but 1 year, 6 months max to give us the gift.
I think I know what you're talking about.
When you want to present the gift, it will be the best of its kind. You know,
want me
right?
to give you guys a gift.
Yes.
Okay.
Like, just take your time, no pressure.
Okay.
Pere, you understand what she's saying now?
Please, who is that? Who just said that?
The girl.
The girl. I should give you guys a gift. May I give her Peking?
Yes. No.
May I give her a wife?
No, you're pastor now.
May I give her a wife, Abi? Talk the thing well. Chombi, give us a gift.
Oh yeah, now Tulip, talk now, talk your talk.
I have said it now.
Yeah.
But just take your time, but don't rush it. But like I said, 1 year, 6 months max. 1 year, 6 months. Is it not too much?
The truth be say Pere wedding go make sense. So, Honestly, I mean, if I not even wait to see the beautiful girl where Pere go actually settle down with if he's actually serious about getting a wife. I wish him well in his search. So onto Angel Smith matter. Angel, when I remember so when she came for Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye season, the girl was very, very sad. She'd always get pepe body where and a lot of things were going on with her. Where we see they call people going to say she did get mental breakdown, one thing. She actually revealed to us that time to say she actually lost her boyfriend just a year ago that time. And the wound still dey very, very fresh. They not give us in details what really sup with the boy, but you just know to say she was actually mourning that boy when she entered into the Big Brother Shine Your Eye house that period. So since all those whiting now, Angel never really come out publicly before to come do remembrance for the boy. But this year she come out to come do remembrance for the boy few hours ago. She come say, my sweetest boy, I still keep all your notes to remind myself of the love I am deserving of. 5 years without you, 5 years since I changed, and I still won't have it any other way. Son Rio. Come still come again, come say, and unfortunately, my wahala is still too much. Can't say much has changed, except that you are not here to put up with said wahala anymore. Sleep well, we will always be friends. Come still come say, maybe in another world, we will sit next to each other again for the very first time at Muri Okunola Park. We all miss you and we will always love you. Because Tikon say it was an honor to have experienced you. I don't get sad anymore. All I feel is gratitude to have known you and to have been loved by you. It is not necessarily the love that I miss, it is the friendship. Before anything, I loved being your friend. For Angel to remember this boy till now, it must be to say that boy must be very special to her. I don't know whether that boy na her first love or something, but the boy did very, very special to her because the breakdown where Angel gets during that Shine Your Eye season, it was something else. But I don't know how Soma go dey feel about all these things if two of them still they did because him go dey feel somehow if you ask me. And they somehow say Angel still dey think of her ex-boyfriend went by since how many years till now. I don't know whether someone a jealous type of guy or maybe in see him as nothing. Some men they go see him as something, while some they go see him as nothing. Well, anyway, whichever way we say the team play out for the both of them, I wish them well. And also, may the boy gentle soul continue to the rest in peace, and may Angel may that girl not feel any of that kind of pain again for her life. Now, which I wish for her because she deserves to be happy and to move on with a better man. Una take care, una bye.